Hi everyone, today we're checking out the rowing machine seat cushion designed to fit Concept2 and other rowers perfectly. This cushion offers optimal support for your lower back and tailbone, reducing discomfort during long workouts. Made with custom memory foam, it provides a sturdy foundation to help maintain proper posture and form. The breathable, washable mesh cover makes cleaning easy while the anti-slip strap keeps the cushion securely in place. Built for durability, it resists wear and tear through countless rowing sessions. Setup is simple, just align, fasten, and adjust before you row. Plus, it comes with a lifetime replacement guarantee for peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.